Hi everybody. I was really hyper. Hi everyone. Hi everybody. So this video is going to be a what I've been loving this summer since the summer is almost over. I'm about to go back to college in a couple of weeks. Which I also want requests for that. So leave it down below requests for videos college related that you guys would like me to make. Because I don't really know. It can be anything. But yes, I do go to Florida Atlantic University, so if you want it to be about that or just college in general, comment down below. So yeah. Anyways, so this video is going to be like a what I've been loving this summer type video, and I feel like this needs to like go down a little bit. There we go. This video is going to be a what I've been loving this summer type video. I'm basically just going to show you guys things I've been loving since I haven't really caught up with you guys, and there's a few things that I've just been wearing a lot lately, putting on a lot lately, doing a lot lately, you know? So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm on so much coffee right now, I'm sorry. So I hope you guys enjoy this video, and let's just get started. Okay, so the first kind of like category I'm going to start out with is like clothing in that matter. So the first thing is UPBRA, which they're actually sponsoring this video today, but I truly love this thing because I've never been the type to like, you know, like buy a certain kind of bra. I just kind of get like bras, you know. I wear bralettes a lot. I don't really like look into what it's doing to me and stuff like that. I kind of just like throw it on. So when UPBRA reached out to me, I was so excited to try out their product, and I fell in love with it. I put it all back for you guys in like the packaging and stuff because I wanted to make it like a little unboxing. But I have worn the nude one and I love it. It actually makes my boobs look so good. I've never even been the type to really wear like push-up bras. Like I just haven't cared. Like, I mean, I have some with like a little, but I'm never like the bombshell Victoria's Secret. Like that's just not me. So this is like the first time I like tried something that like, wow, like my boobs look great. Like that's literally what I was thinking. So in this one, this is like what it would be like if you guys got it. It comes in this little box with however many you bought. I have two to show you guys. So here it is. Obviously they aren't like the most like glamorous sexy bras ever, but they do the freaking job well. This bra is the bra with straps. My other one is strapless, and it basically is, it's like a t-shirt bra. Like it looks so good under every single shirt. The straps are adjustable, which is obviously so nice because they're always way too long on me and stuff. And yeah, it literally just looks good under like any like white shirt, anything like that. You can't see it. It looks amazing. Your boobs look great. It's awesome. So basically there's like tightening straps, there's these straps, there's padding that helps lifting and stuff like that. This bra's great because you can wear it with like low cut tees and stuff like that, and the lift is obviously adjustable in the inside, which is obviously very nice. So you can, it's not just like stuck one way, you can adjust it however you want. The padding is so comfortable and not like too harsh or anything like that, and it makes your boobs look amazing. So I'm going to have a little like before and after of this bra, and then I'm also going to put on another bra and show you what that looks like under the same exact shirt to see the difference. So I just got my normal bra size. Go for your normal bra size and it'll fit great. So yes, I love this bra. I've been wearing it a ton and it's just so cute. Once again, not the most like, you know, Victoria's Secret, but it literally does the job and it still looks so good on, like no matter, even if it is plain, you know. And then this one I have not tried on. It also comes with like an extender, which I have in here, and then this one also comes with straps. So this one, once again, I have not tried on yet, but I will try on for this video. So once again, straps, an extender if you need that, and it's basically the same kind of style. It's strapless, and this, I had like such an issue for a while with like finding a good strapless bra that like actually holds them up, and like it like will stay on me in the back, but like the front part will like dip down and just like stop holding my boobs and stuff like that, and sticky boobs just slide off you if you sweat. So I've been really struggling with that, and I feel that this bra is really going to do the job. I heard great reviews about it with the strapless one staying up and staying put and keeping your boobs look really nice. So yes, once again, it has the coverage lifter right there that's adjustable, and yeah. So once again, comes with straps if you want it. You can also literally turn this into a bra with straps. But yeah, this one's just white, and I can't wait to put this on. I'm once again going to put a little demo of me wearing it underneath a shirt and then wearing a different bra. That's like not an up bra, to show you the difference of how great these bras are. Like you can literally find this on their website on how to control your lift and cleavage with the bra. So there's, I feel like I'm like a commercial right now. There's the cleavage control straps that you can basically just like pull in the center and then clip back on to however you want kind of them to lift up. So you just pull it a little bit to push your boobs together, bring them up, stuff like that. There's a locking system, so you just lock it with that little, it's kind of like a bathing suit type strap thing going on, and you just lock it up so that it stays the tightness you want. Okay, so that's that with that. But then there's also like gripping right here of like hearts, and it grips your boobs so they like stay in place for like good, so your boobs literally look amazing like the whole entire night or day whenever you're wearing it, which is really nice because I find that literally no bras have that. So yeah, there's this nice like gripping going on. They look like hearts. Now, one thing I forgot to mention about this one, there's actually grips on the like whole thing of this bra so that it stays in place and you don't have to worry about it sliding down you like most bras do. So that's also really nice about this one. So this has been my summer favorite because I've been loving to wear like tie in the front shirts, just simple like white t-shirts, a bunch of like rompers and stuff. So like these bras have come in handy so much. Well, the nude one that I've tried on, but I'm sure the other one will too. I also have a coupon code for you guys. It'll be on the screen right here for $10 off. I will have all of the information linked down below for UPBRA down in the description box for you guys to go check out. So make sure to go click those and go check out the bra. And yeah, I honestly truly love UPBRA, and it's been one of my summer favorites. I've been loving the nude one to wear under just like simple tees and stuff like that. Like I could totally wear it under this. And yeah, so that's my first summer favorite. If you guys have been following me on YouTube for a super long time, I don't know if I'm sure I mentioned this a while ago, but like I hate bags. I hate purses. I hate mini backpacks. I would always just use like a little wristlet that has my key and a little key holder wallet, and like that's it. Like I used that all throughout freshman year. Never once used a bag, never went out with a bag. And this summer changed me, you know? My mom let me borrow her bag once when I went out where I'm from, not like at college. And it changed my life. It literally changed my life. I was like, wow, I don't have to shove my phone in my pants. I don't have to put my keys on my belt loop. It was amazing. So I have been loving purses. So I'm not going to show you the purse that she gave me because I gave it back, and it's from a boutique in some state. It's like a boutique. I really wouldn't know how to show you guys it. But I've been loving these two bags. This one I showed on my Instagram. I did a little Instagram haul with Princess Polly. This bag has been my love. I can't remember the brand. I will link it down below for you guys though. But it's just, it's a little bit bigger than the bag my mom gave me, and it literally fits everything. I just had like a ton of stuff in this, but I cleaned it out because it was a little bulky. But yeah, this is what I'm talking about. This is what I used to carry around with me, and I would literally just like hook it onto my belt. It was the worst thing ever. And I mean, I liked it at the moment. But yes, so I've been loving bags. I also got this little tassel from Amazon. I'll also link down below because I'm sure like a lot of you guys probably want it. But I think it's so cute. It looks like it's from like Urban or something. There was palms on it, but they kind of fell off, and it was looking a little extra anyways. It was fine. And then I recently got this bag in North Carolina. I went on a trip to North Carolina. If you follow me on Instagram, you would have saw, but I have no idea what this brand is, honestly. It was from a boutique, but I've been loving this little mini backpack. I really don't know what brand it is. It doesn't say it anywhere. But yeah, so it basically is just this little backpack. It has a little tassel, and it opens at the front. There's a little pocket inside. It fits so much. I put either my phone or my sunglasses in here, which is nice, and then I usually keep like gum back here. And I love it. It's just such a cute, really small backpack, which is nice. And I've been loving those a ton. Like that's been my thing this summer, bags. Wait, I just realized I totally didn't go in the like clothing. You know, I'm just gonna go all over the place. I meant to do like clothing first, but whatever. Next are these jeans from Arizona Jean. I'm obsessed with these. They're like they're a little bit of boot cut. They're really not flared like at all, but they aren't tight on the ankle, and they're super flared at the bottom, which I love. Every time I wash them, they get more flare, or more flared, not flared, more whatever this is, distressed at the bottom, and they're just so comfortable. And I actually have a size 5, which I'm usually like a 3 or 2, so I always wear a belt with them because they like don't really fit at the waist, but I like that because they're like more of a boyfriend jean fit. And even though it's super hot outside, I've been loving to wear them with like tank tops and stuff. I just think it's such a casual outfit. Probably should have buttoned this up, but yeah, they're literally just jeans. But I never would have thought in the summer I would have been so in love with jeans. I literally have been wearing these. I wore these yesterday. Like I'm obsessed with them. So I just love this. Like I don't want any just normal cut jeans at the bottom. I want them all to look like this. This next thing, you will see this in my Zalpha haul, either going up before or after this. I'm wearing a 2-piece little lounge set right now, and I have one to show you guys. I It's my new thing. I love them. I usually just wear like t-shirts and stuff, and I've been loving to actually like wear like a put together outfit. So oh my gosh, these are from Urban Outfitters, and they're actually not that bad. One was $24, one was $29, which you could wear them separately. I don't think that's bad of a price, honestly. For Urban, at least, I thought it was gonna be so much more. I thought the shorts were gonna be like $40, but they're basically this like burnt orange, like, oh my god, it's literally a fuzzy sock. Like, it's so soft. I don't know if you can tell the material or not, but it's a size small if you're wondering, and it just looks like this. They're super comfy. I didn't have a small in this, so I got a medium in the top, which is perfectly fine because it's just a little tank. So it just looks like this, and honestly, I would wear it out. I would definitely wear this to like class in college and stuff. It's just so comfortable. I just can't, I couldn't pass it up. I saw it and I was like, oh my gosh, they have it in different colors too. So I've been loving this. It's super, it's just the material like kills it. These shoes, I have worn these shoes every single day this summer. You think I'm kidding? I'm not even kidding. You think I'm kidding? I'm not even kidding. Unless I'm wearing like a platform shoe with like a nice outfit, I'm wearing these. I legitimately wear these every single day. Like, I used to wear my Birkenstocks a lot. These are like my new faves. I actually got these with like my mom, I want to say at Belk, or I ordered them on Amazon. I can't think of one, but I feel like if you type in like tan leather like strap sandal, like something like this will pop up. I know Target has really similar ones to this, but I just love how it's like all the same color, and it's like this nude that I wear with everything. I'll wear it with black, I'll wear it with, I would probably wear it with these if I was just going to run an errand. Like, I wear it with everything. I love it. They're so cute. They literally go with everything. I think I've said that 20 times. But yeah, I can't stress enough. I have legit, you can ask anyone in my life, I wear these every single day. It's a problem. So yeah, loving these. They're my fave, and once again, either Belk or Amazon. I can't remember. I got them last summer, but I didn't wear them as much as I do now. Next thing is witch hazel. I talked about this in my skincare routine, how I wasn't really using this right now, but that video like inspired me to buy witch hazel again, and this clears my skin so much. Like, if I'm ever feeling like that, like dewy, like oily feeling of just like sitting around and like, you know, like, or like after the beach, like anything like that, I'll put witch hazel on and I'll feel like my skin like is 10 times better. I put this on right before I go to sleep, or if I put it before I like put Mario Badescu on or something like that. I love it. I got this one from TJ Maxx for $4. I usually go to a health food store and I get like a really big bottle for 10. But I saw this at TJ Maxx and I was like, it's a sign, let's get it, and it has improved my skin so much. I love it. It's my favorite. It's basically just like an all-natural product. I really don't know how to explain witch hazel, but it's so good for your skin, and it's been my summer favorite. This isn't like really it, but I've been wearing eyeshadow lately. I've been wearing it on my eyes. I'm wearing it right now. I've been loving to put gold eyeshadow on my lids this summer, ever since I got a lash lift, which is another summer favorite. If you guys know me, I was die hard for eyelash extensions, and then this summer I was like, you know, I just don't want to be spending the money on eyelash extensions. I just can't do it right now. I really don't need to do it right now. I really, like, you know, there's just no purpose in getting eyelash extensions this summer, so I took them off. I got an eyelash lift and tint, and wow, my lashes look so good. They have grown so much this summer too. Like, right when I got them off, they were a little short. Like, my lashes grew so much just from like taking them off, and I'm like the type of person, like, my hair grows fast, I guess my eyelashes grow fast and stuff like that. So yeah, getting a lash lift, wow, helped my lashes so much. It give me the confidence to take my lash extensions off, because like I would have had straight eyelashes, because I've had eyelash extensions for like 3 years, and it just kind of like my lashes are my real ones. So besides the point, lash lift I guess was also a summer favorite. But I've been loving gold eyeshadow. So this is the one I've been using. I actually got this in a BoxyCharm. It's the Blink Electric Eyes palette. I also use one in like the Naked, that Naked palette. I can't think of the color. It's like so popular, or it was so popular. I used that one. I used this one. This is the one I usually go for. I mix these two, and yeah, so basically I've just been loving like gold eyeshadow. This is what I've been using. This so much like isn't the favorite. It's mostly like the gold eyeshadow itself. And I just think it makes my eyes pop. I've always heard like, you know, pops blue eyes and stuff, and I think it really does. So I've been loving that. The last thing I have to show you guys, I got this from a Jaclyn Hill YouTube video. I was watching one of her tutorials one night, and she said that this Kopari lip glossy lip balm was like amazing, so I ordered it off Amazon that night, And wow, it's kind of like a lip gloss, but it smells amazing. It makes your lips so moisturized. I'm almost out of it. I need to like get a new one. And I've been loving this. I literally put it on before bed every single night, just like before I go to the beach, at the beach, stuff like that. Loving it. It just moisturizes your lips so much. It gives them like a little glossy sheen. It's not like a chappy chapstick. It's more of a gloss. It's called lip glossy. And it's just amazing. It's so good. So I got it on Amazon. It's a little pricey. I feel like it was in like, I think it was a little bit more than $15. Maybe 12, something like that, which I think is kind of a lot for like a chapstick or a lip balm, but worth it. So I've been loving that as well. So that is everything I've been loving this summer. I really hope you guys enjoy this video. If you do, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Also make sure to check out UPBRA. Once again, I will have all their links down below, the $10 coupon, everything like that, all you ever would need and more in the description box. Make sure to follow me on Instagram. It will be right here. It's my I need to stop filming. My most used social platform, so I think you guys should go follow me if you want to keep up with my life. And yeah, so I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys in my next video. Oh, comment college requests once again. Comment them. So yeah, I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!